Hi, my name is Shelby Purdue, and this is my half of describing me and Josh Fleming's project. So, you start out with chemistry, and so chemistry, there's always fundamentals, and the fundamentals of chemistry are organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry, and then the main fundamental of chemistry is an atom, and the atom is the makeup of all life. And so the atom has a nucleus, has electrons, neutrons, and protons. Everything that's connected to electrons is valence electrons and electron shells. You also have a donor electron and an electron acceptor. Electrons also contribute to atomic weight, and atomic weight is also contributed by neutrons and protons. Protons are the makeup of the atomic number, and then you go back to the atom, and then you have your elements because atoms make up everything. And then you have your bonds, and then you have your ionic bond and your covalent bond. In your covalent bond, you have a triple covalent bond, a polar covalent bond, a non-polar covalent bond, and a double polar covalent bond. And then once you go to the covalent bonds, you do hydrogen bonds. And in the hydrogen bonds, which is all water stuff, you have hydrogen bond network of water, and then you have water, and then you have water isotopes. So once you go back to your elements, you also have reactions. And the reaction that you get, you have the half-life, which is how long the reaction will last. It's usually more radioactive stuff. And then you have the Dalton's law, electron negativity, hydrophobic reactions, oxidation reactions, and then you also have cohesions and adhesions. And those are all products of reactions. And that's all my side of the project.
Okay. Hi, I'm Josh Fleming, and I'm going to explain the second half of me and Shelby Purdue's project. So branching off again from chemistry, you have your functional groups, and based on your functional groups, you have carboxyl, ketone, hydroxyl, carbonyl, and aldehyde. And carboxylic acids are made up of carboxyl and hydroxyl. Also in your fundamental groups, you have some more basic type things, such as your aminos, alcohol, sulfhydryl, methyl, and phosphate. Amines are made up of aminos. And then back to chemistry, you have your units of measure, which are grams, liters, and meters, which are all metric. Then you have your prefixes, such as a centi, a kilo, a micro, and a milli. And then you go back to your chemistry again for the last time, and you have your elements critical for life. Your primary elements are going to be your nitrogen, your hydrogen, your carbon, and your oxygen, which are super essential for life. And then you go back and you have your secondary elements that are critical for life, such as sulfur, chloride, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, and sodium. And that concludes our 61 terms using our concept map. Madison, if you'd like to come and zoom in for our teacher. I'll take over.
Your hands.
So that way she can see all of it.
Yep. All right.